what are some foolproof or telltale ways that you've gotten a water damage estimate and it might be suspect?
Okay, that's a great question. And the first part of my answer is going to be is that if the insurance company had an adjuster that wrote the estimate, that the initial estimate that the insurance company has given you probably doesn't include everything it needs to include. Right now, as we're following up on adjuster estimates, we're finding that they cover about half of the amount of money that actually needs to be included for your claim. I'm going to suggest a couple of things that, areas where I see adjusters really miss on their claims. One is you may have what is very visible water damage in one room, and they'll try to write the claim for just one room, but you don't start to realize that problem now actually goes throughout the house. For example, if you have a flooring that's damaged in one room, we can't just fix that one little spot. We have to fix all of the flooring in the house. So a lot of the claims that I'm seeing, they'll say, well, we'll repair the floor in this room. Well, you can't just do that. It goes everywhere. A second thing that adjusters miss is they don't see right now that when you let's say pull and reset baseboard, you also need to paint the wall, because once you pull that baseboard, you're going to have a paint line that needs to be repaired. It's very, very difficult to just pull the baseboard and put it right back on. Given that, they miss the paint that needs to be done. And then the final thing, and this is a real simple one, but I have yet to see it in most insurance adjusters' claims, is final cleaning. Every house that goes through insurance restoration repair should have a final cleaning, final dust, just get it back to where it was before the loss. Well, in most cases, they never include that final cleaning. Those are all things that as a contractor, we can look at, we can see, and we can make sure are part of the claim before we go forward.
Those are just red flags. They should stand
Those are
out
red flags.
like a little bit of a beacon that says, you know what? They're either moving too fast or they really don't have their act together and haven't done it enough to know these are the kinds of things that just happen.